Hi, welcome to the seat cover shop installation instructions. We've developed these new video instructions to help you put on your seat covers a little bit more easily. Most seats are pretty much the same. Backrests, cushions, some have consoles, some have armrests, some have adjustable headrests. Depends on what you have, but they're all pretty much going to be general rules. We picked the Toyota Tacoma today because it has some bits of tricky business that I'd rather have on the instructions so that you can see how to do them a bit easier. Okay, first thing you do, we're going to put on the cushions first of all. Okay, 2 cushions. Which one's which? Well, you look at your seat. What you can do is you can place them on and you can see, does that sort of look right? What we have here is a hole for the lumbar adjuster. So you can actually place them on there. If you place the passenger seat on the driver, you're going to see it's too short. It doesn't seem to fit properly. So switch it over. Throw that over there. Place it on, match up the seams. This is the one. So first thing we do, looks like we just loop this around there and put all the seams, match them all up. This part here is going to tuck down in between your backrest and your cushion. Now on the Tacoma, especially the TRD, this is a bit tricky and I'll show you why in a second. Next, we've got elastics. We have one here, and one in the middle. You're going to want to attach those on first of all. So we grab our S-hooks. Okay, here we have our S-hooks. I like to dump them out, put them on the ground so they're easy to get. You take it, put the small end on the elastic, reach underneath anywhere you'd like, and if you can get under there, take a look, that's all the better. Otherwise, there we go, one hooked on. There's metal listings underneath your seat, and those are going to be the best place to hook them on there. It is good to go in there, take a look and see where you want to hook them on, and then hook them onto there. I do encourage you, if you have some safety glasses or some reading glasses or any kind of eye protection, put them on, because these are elastics and these are little clips, and it just makes sense. I'm not wearing them because I'm irresponsible. Okay, here we go. Middle clip. Put that on. Front clip, the other one, put that on too, and good to go. Then you can tuck all this in here, and there we go. You're also going to notice that on the driver's side, you're going to have one elastic on the outside. On the passenger, it's going to be the opposite side. That's another easy way to tell which side you have it on. With these ones here, you tuck it in behind the latch here, tuck it right back, and you can push it through. Now, all seat covers are kind of different in terms of what you can fit, how to best do it. As far as the general instruction, I'd have to have every single car ever made, every seat cover pattern that we do to give you an idea of how to do it. Basically, you're just going to use your common sense a little bit. If you see that there's absolutely no way you can fit it through here, this being the bungee cord elastic, and this one here, then don't. All you do is you take it up, take it through your backrest and your cushion, and then once it's back there, you slide it down. Here, it looks like we can get through here, so I'm going to try to put it through there. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. But I bet you it does. So all I do is I take the cushion, take the bungee cord, pop it through here, and then I go around underneath and I see if it came out. Now, let's go take a look. Oh, and then I take this and you push it through. Those tuck through. You notice there's 3 elastics on there. I'll show you where those go in 1 second. Okay, let's go behind the seat and take a look. So here we are in the back of the seat. Now if you look down here, the backrest continues on right underneath the seat, and this prevents you from putting your hand from the front of the seat between the cushions and having it come out back here. So we have to get rid of this, and almost every model you have this is going to be attached onto onto little elastics. And how you get them off, you reach underneath, you can feel the elastics, you follow them to the end, and they're just going to be on little clips that are attached onto the metal listings that you're attaching your front elastics to. So all you do is you give it a little push forward, and there you go, one clip. See how it's on there? It's just a little U-clip, and it goes right back on just as easy as it came off. Second one, I find the elastic, I follow it forward, give it a little bit of a push, and it's done. Then I can take this whole bib, what I like to call it, out of the way, and suddenly I can reach in and I'm at the front of the the backrest. So here's the tab that I pushed through before. Here's the 1, 2, 3 elastics. So now what we do, we push this, we pull it nice and tight to make sure we got it as much tension as we need. Then we attach these elastics with some S-clips. Okay, so we've got the S-hooks here. I'm just going to, again, you hook on the small one onto the elastic, reach underneath, and hook them on. Nice and easy, nice and quick. Try to put these ones out to the edge just to pull this nice and tight, and what that does is it keeps the front of it from wrinkling as well. Try to give them a little bit of pressure. You don't want to go crazy, but give them a little bit of pressure because that's going to be holding your seat cover on there. So it doesn't take much. With these 3 elastics holding them on there, you can feel that's a lot of tension. That's going to hold your seat back there. Okay, next. Okay, so remember at the front how I pushed the bungee cord elastic through there? I pushed it down. I yanked about 5 inches of slack and then put it through there, and it dropped right down to here. So it was nice and easy. So I take this end of the bungee cord, which goes around the full perimeter of the cushion, and I pull it nice and tight. Then I reach around. Maybe I'll hook it right onto here for now. Okay. Okay, now I reach around and I grab the other side from in there. I just take that one right around the outside because it's nice and easy. Then I pull them together, give them some nice slack, and put them together. If you do have too much slack, you can pull it nice and tight and then tie off another loop right onto there. Just tuck it around, tie it. It's nice and easy, and it's all going to be tucked up in here, so any loose ends you have doesn't matter. Okay, so that pulled in the whole perimeter of the cushion and makes it look nice. And we're done the cushion, just like that.